Hi, I'm Melody. On behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to use some of the tools that I've described to you and see if we can't make some designs on this paper just so you can see what some of the brushes do when they're loaded with paint. So I've mixed a little bit of a dark color here, and I'm going to grab some other little dabs here so that we can use them in a second. All right, we've described an awful lot of brushes, but we talked a lot about the scumbling brush that also has some other names. Don't just take it and scoop all the paint up that you can. Tap it in. Just tap it into the paint. And then when you see that it's on the bristles but not clumped up, then tap it into your canvas or your paper or whatever you're using. And at this angle, it's a little difficult, but what we're trying to make here is maybe a little foreground or a little foliage. And we need to have some water on hand so that we can rinse out the brush. There are also different products that you can purchase, cleaners, that are for strictly for acrylic paints, and you can get them at your craft stores, any place that sells things that pertain to painting. And the conditioners are very good for your brushes. I'm just using this water, straight water today. Okay, one thing is you do not want your brush to lay around with paint on it. If you see any evidence of paint whatsoever, when you carefully go along with the bristles and the ends, you don't want to just go like that, because then the bristles all separate and it tears up your brush pretty easy. Some of these brushes are $25 and you don't really want to wreck those. In the next segment, I'll show you how to use a couple more brushes and then we'll start looking at composition.